Hello guys, this is Herman again in another beautiful rainy day, and I want to show you guys today about these two guys I got. First of all, I got this Obenauf's heavy duty LP leather preservative made in USA, and also these nice Tack sponges, 12 pack. Well, this is especially to use this kind of products on leather, and we're gonna talk and we're gonna review this, how it works. I'm gonna leave a few days and see how these guys work, and without further ado, let's go and check this product out, guys. Alright guys, well, here we are, and it's the time to try this guy and see how it works. You guys know, basically all you guys that follow my videos, basically this is the one I use for my seats, the leather rig, and this one is very good. I've been trying this one for quite some time, and also the Maguires. Now we're gonna try this other guy, and today, well, we are basically in Thanksgiving, and I'm gonna take today to use this guy and see how it works. And well guys, this is the sponges, and that's nice. It's kind of small, but for my taste, but well, we will see how it works. It feels really good. Okay, well, let me show you how is the state of my seats. And as you guys can see, hold on, let me get some light right here. Okay, as you guys can see, this is how my seats looks right now. And well, we're gonna apply this. So far I like the way it looks like. It's been almost year and a half, and leather rig and Maguires, well, it's protecting the seats good. Now honestly, the truck I think is still new, 2021. We are at the end of 2022, and of course I think the seat's supposed to be in a very nice condition. But well, let's try this guy and see how it looks after we put this basically preservative on the top of the seat. Okay, let's go and apply this, and let's see how it looks like. All right, well, as you guys see, I already applied a little bit right here on the bottom, and right now right here I didn't do anything. I'm gonna apply it right over here, and you guys can see the difference as soon as I put it right here. Take a look. I like these sponges, honestly, very nice. I see the comments, some guys, well, basically this product is especially made for the boots of the cowboys, like guys in Texas or different places in the US that they wear those fancy boots, and they pay a lot of money for those boots. But is the regular basically boot or the stuff they use every single day, and they not only use it for work, they want to look nice when they wear it. And as I like boots, I got boots too, and as you guys know, when you got something you really like, you want to preserve the product, and especially when the cowboys are in the dealing with all the mud and everything, they gotta put in basically in their boots. They need something really good in order to protect it. After they wash it, they gotta clean the boot. Then after that, they gotta use something to protect the product. And this guy got an amazing reviews. Now just think about it. If it's something is capable to protect the boot that way, well, just think about what such a product can do in a leather seats. If it's protecting such a precious thing, well, it's gonna protect these guys too. Also, it's gonna work in the ladies use this too on their bags, leather bags. Some guys, I hear some guys put it on the wallets, and well, another guys using this in in GMC, I hear. He's putting this stuff, and he says the product is working very, very good and keep basically the leather like moisturized, or keep it like moisturized. And that's the thing we gotta maintain. It's not every product you put in here. You can use anything. You can put grease or whatever in here. It's gonna look shiny, but to absorb whatever it is, the chemicals inside the leather is really, really hard. It's something must be like a special formula in order to absorb that and keep the leather alive, basically. And one thing I like from this one is like you guys can see, you know, well, I just with all my hands with this product, but let me show you with my other hand, this one right here. Basically I didn't touch anything, and if I put it right here, so far it's like nothing. Still, it dries very quick, and of course I'm gonna leave this overnight to make sure. That's what I heard. The guys, when they use this stuff on their boots, they applied it when they got home after they cleaned the boots and everything, and they leave this overnight, and the very next day this product is ready to go and do the wonders, protecting the boots and everything. And well, let's see, I'm gonna do another check out on this product in a few months, and I'm gonna let you guys know if it's any difference comparison with the leather rig, if it's working good. And as you guys see, well, this is kind of expensive for the size, but the reviews, you know, the most important thing is the quality, and it's not too much you got to apply in this. You just basically put the sponge, and that I like is almost the size of the of this little guy right here, and you can apply freely on the seats. All right, well guys, that's it. God bless you all. Please subscribe if you are not subscribed, and see you guys in another Just My Review. Bye bye guys.